Okay, we have 5 pieces here glued together now. So what we want to do is, this is for the back of the head, and we want to get our side pieces on here. So we'll get that set in there where we want it. And we take one to the side. This is the piece we cut out on here. So that goes in here like this. So that's good. So we're going to glue it. Put a couple of nails in it. And then we'll also clamp it to make sure it sets good. I find it easier if I put a staple in it to hold it in place when I put the clamps on, because otherwise they want to slip and slide on you. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Now we'll take this out. Oh, no we don't. We'll do the other side. That's the wrong way. This way. There we go. Make sure that fits good. Then again, we'll put some glue on it, staple it. If you don't have a staple gun, you can use just use brad nails. 1-inch brad nails works fine. Or you can just glue it and clamp it too. You don't have to do that. That's why I mark all my pieces, so I don't get them mixed up when I'm doing a different one. I always have them, so it's always the same. The right piece with the right piece. And don't leave this sit in here. Otherwise the glue might run and then you'll have a hard time getting the back off when you need to. So we got that on, so then we'll put a clamp on it to hold it. Now we'll let this set up and dry good, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.